The stars are out, and the forest is quiet. It's time for Pumi and Momo to rest.
The sun goes down, the stars appear, the forest is quiet, the night is here. Pumi and Momo sitting by the lake, watching the ripples the water makes.
Look, the moon is taking a bath in the lake.
The moon, so round and bright, dancing in the water in the middle of the night. It's a magic reflection, a golden glow, sending us a hug from the sky above. Momo wants to touch it.
Wait, Momo. The moon is far away, sending us a glowing hug from the sky.
Pumi says softly, it's far away, like a dream in the water, a light so deep. It's time for us to go to sleep. Snap, snap, no more clap, clap, no more close your eyes, little friend. The day is at its end. Good night, Pumi. Good night, Momo. Good night, moon. Sweet dreams.
See you next time, friends. Parents, don't forget to subscribe for more emotional adventures with Pumi.